Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Simonsaysdiy, where I basically create and fix just about anything. Now, I've been doing all sorts of different things on my channel, from home improvements, construction, electrical, to woodworking, metalworking in my shop. I try to learn new stuff all the time and keep myself busy and fixing up the house as well as building things. I love to create. So if you guys like that sort of content, I've got a whole list of videos that you can check out on my channel already, but I also set up a new video each week for you guys to see what project I'm working on that week. So you can see those each Saturday. I'll upload those in the morning and you guys can check those out. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button down below. That will help YouTube recommend videos to you that I've already produced. Also, it will let you know when I upload new videos, so you can always be on the newest video that I have uploaded, the project that I'm working on that week, and stay connected. Also, leave a comment down below my videos. I love hearing suggestions from you guys or recommendations, what you thought of different projects. So go check out my videos. I hope you enjoy the content, and I hope to see you guys in the future. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.